Today we are going to show you how to make a little trinket dish using air dry clay, and what we're creating is going to look a lot like this. So Izzy's going to tell you the materials that we're going to need for this project.
Flat surface.
Flat surface.
Air dry clay. Cookie cutter. And a rolling pin. A bigger one like for food. And some of this from your backyard or your front yard or whatever yard you can find weeds with.
Yep, we just pulled these little weeds from our front yard, and they make the daintiest, cutest little imprints in the air dry clay. So that's what we're using, but you can use anything that you want, anything you find in your front yard. All right, so Izzy, what is the first step?
The first step is you have our ball.
What are we gonna do to our air dry clay ball?
We're gonna wait.
You're gonna roll it out? You want Mama's help?
We're gonna make a spider web with you.
Here, let's roll it out. Okay. I'm gonna do this part. So it's important to note that the thicker you roll out the air dry clay, the longer it's gonna take to dry. So we wanna roll it out as thin as we can, but not too thin that it will break. All right, so we're gonna roll this out thin enough. Make sure that our cookie cutter has enough room on there. And then Izzy, why don't you pick some flowers to put on the air dry clay? So Izzy is arranging her pattern on her air dry clay, however she sees fit. That's a pretty one, I like that one. And something cool that you can do with this, instead of making trinket dishes, are you can just leave this flat, and then you can poke a little tiny hole in it and hang it up. And you can have like a little ornament. That would be cool too, huh? Now with the air dry clay, it doesn't harden all the way. It still has a foamy feel. So if you squeeze it, you can still crush it, right? Johnny did that, didn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, he did. All right, what's the next step, Izzy?
The next step,
Huh? There you go. The next step is to
roll your ornament out.
Yep, roll the grass into the air dry clay to make an imprint. There you go. Just take one pass. That's good. Good job. All right, now what do we do?
We peel it off.
Cool. That looks so good. Good job. Okay, you want to tell everybody what the next step is?
We have our cookie cutter.
All right.
So we're going to make sure it fits all the way.
Gotta put it, hold on, right there. So all the edges are inside the cookie cutter.
We're going to make it like that.
Perfect. All right, so Izzy's punching out the design.
And then we're going to check the door.
Here, you hold it and Mommy will take it away. There you go. Good job. All right.
Then we're going to gently pop it out without making fingerprints.
Okay, and one step we skipped, we didn't show you guys the bowl that we're using to place our little trinket dish in. So Izzy, what is the purpose of the bowl?
We don't want to make any fingerprints.
But when you put it in the bowl, what happens? It creates like a cup, like a small cup effect. So it'll bend the little dish and make it into like a trinket dish. So like a catch-all. And then we leave ours in there for up to 24 hours, and then we pop them out, and then we put them upside down because the bottom also needs time to dry as well. So there you have it. You want to show everyone the inside? There you go. Yeah, I'll bring it forward. And that is Isabella's. There we go. Little trinket dish. And like I said, you can leave these flat if you want, and then you can pop a little hole in the very top, and then you can run some string through it or some twine, and make a fun little ornament. So
you can hang it up in your room. You can hang it up in your grandma's house. You can hang it up in anywhere, but not outside.
And you know what you probably could do too? You could probably put some like essential oils on it too if you wanted, and use it as a car diffuser. That's a great idea. What do you think about that?
What's a car diffuser?
A car diffuser? It's something that makes your car smell good. Well, we hope you guys like this fun tutorial. It's easy to do. You can do it inside the house, take it outside on a rainy day. I mean, not a rainy day, but a sunny day, right?
And we hope you guys have a good day, and we hope that you have fun with this craft we just showed you today.
Absolutely.